Free soldier.
I regard myself as a soldier, though a soldier of peace.
Hey, what's up, peoples? This is Free Souljah, and I'm in Peach Springs, or just outside of Peach Springs, Arizona, at the edge of the Grand Canyon. You can see it behind me over here, and just camping. I recorded a couple tunes last night for my new album, and I think they came out pretty cool, inspired by the land that I was sitting on and that you see a little piece of. And I want to remind you that Lightheaded is still available for a free download. You guys haven't gotten it yet, so go check that out and let me know how it is. And I just wanted to talk a little bit, since I am here at Peach Springs, and it's actually on the Hualapai Reservation. And it's strange to think that these people have been forced onto a reservation, and it may seem that that's just the way it is, because it's been years since they were almost defeated, in a sense, and forced to move on to small reservations like this one, when they actually roam the lands as free people. They didn't see borders and things like that. And this line here was just another piece of Mother Earth to them, and it's something that to really hope that we can get back to, is that respect for the land. So much respect that you can't say that you own it, because the land owns you. And we see it when Mother Nature gets a little violent, and it's not too violent, but when there's these natural disasters and stuff, the people living on the land have no control over the earthquakes or the floods. They just have to live with it, and that's just proof that you can't own the land, that you may borrow a little piece for a short while, but you're going to have to give it back. And like the land I'm camping on right now, the moment I leave, some little creature is going to be walking over it and maybe taking a dump on it. So, just something to think about. And hopefully everybody's doing well. And I'm enjoying my time here in Arizona and in the Grand Canyon. I'm going to go check out the Colorado River in a moment here. I just woke up. It's a nice bright morning with these birds singing, and you can hear the water behind me, maybe. You might be able to hear it, I'm not sure. But you can definitely see the canyon. And maybe I'll just, right now, give you a better view. So until next time, this is Free Souljah. Keep the peace with peace.
Think about living. Think about living. think about living. I think about living. I think about living. Think about living. I 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 think about living.
No, it don't matter what you've been told. You are a free soul. A soul of